So we're going to do a lateral hip mobilizer. So yeah, perfect as you are. So then that foot's going to stay back here.
Mm-hmm.
And what's going to happen is I'm going to imagine I'm your wall. So I'm just going to take this hand and you can just sort of use me. And
Rest
what I'm going to
against
ask
you,
you, if you just take a little further step back with your left foot for me. And firstly, what I'm going to ask you is just to sort of lean into that step.
This.
Yeah, good. So what we're doing here is you'll notice we're trying to keep that heel on the ground, and you'll notice both legs you're now getting a lot of ankle flexion, which is great, because when we were taking those steps forward in the sagittal plane earlier, you had a lot of rise up, so your heel's coming up. So now what I'm going to ask you to do is, as you go forward, I want you to lean the other arm over towards me. So now we're opening up that lateral side. Yeah, and what that'll do now is introduce a little scapular mobility. So if we can get loosey-goosey through here, then this will help the hip as well, that hip complex, because in that lateral step you were a little bit hesitant to move, and that alignment was a bit of an issue. So this just opens you up, gets everything going a little more flow and a little less rigid.
It's good. I like it.
Yeah,
I'm
and
feeling...
then as you see, of course, that it goes down into the ankle complex as well, where you're getting quite a lot of movement there. Good, and then we would just do the other side.
Okay, great. That's good.